I need a nuclear reaction to generate the 1.21 gigawatts of electricity.
1.21 gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts! 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 1.21 gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts! Gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts!
Hey, what's up guys? It's the Manufacturing Millennial. So inside manufacturing and automated equipment, we probably don't have a flux capacitor that's powering our machine. Well, unless you had a DeLorean. But what more likely you have is probably a 24 volt power supply that's a 5, 10, or 20 amp that powers your PLC, HMI, sensors, safety, vision system, and more. Well, when you think of a power supply, has your power supply inside of your panel advanced in the means the other technology and products have on your machines over the past 5, 10, 15 years? Well, I'm going to show you one today that might make you say, "Great Scott!" and impress you. Let's check it out. So this is the Pro 2 Series power supply from Wago. It comes in a wide variety of models from 5, 10, 20, and 40 amp for single phase, and for 3 phase it's a 20 amp and 40 amp. Now its operating temperature is from -40°C to +70°C. And the range is because of its 96% efficiency rating. When I have less power loss, my power supply runs on a lower temperature, which results in a couple things. One, I can have a much smaller package, which means more space inside of my panel. But on top of that, because it has a better efficiency rating, this model inside of your machine is going to outlast and have a longer lifetime than other power supplies. The Wago 2 Pro has several overload characteristics. It features a top boost of 600% output for 15 milliseconds, and a power boost of 150% output for 5 seconds. On the top there is a digital input, digital output signal where the PLC can put the power supply in standby mode, and an output DC. I have my LED graph that shows my load status, and warnings, and next to that is a function key to select different features like my maximum voltage. There's a communication interface and an area to place markings and label, and then on the bottom is my AC input. Now what's cool about this is my AC and DC connectors are both detachable for ease of installation and replacement. So I mentioned communication interface, and you're probably thinking, well, how does a power supply communicate? Well, there's a module that you can plug into the front of the device that allows you to communicate via IO-Link, Modbus RTU, and Modbus TCP/IP that can be used for monitoring its output voltage, current, and its operating states back to the PLC. But I can plug this device and be able to communicate and configure it via PC. You download the software online and can configure its output voltage, its power boost and top boost that I mentioned earlier, and also its digital inputs that can do data trending of its output voltage, its current, and also its power. So as you can see, I think there's a lot of really unique features with this Pro 2 power supply.
Can't guess you guys aren't ready for that yet.
Alright, you know what guys, I think you are ready for this. So the next time you're looking for a power supply for your automated equipment or your for machines, look at the Pro 2 series. It might be something that's advanced enough to take you back to the future. Alright, that's enough cheesy jokes from me. Thanks for checking out this vid guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.